Yeah, hi. Today we are in a terrace of where we have done an iron water treatment plant of a iron ppm where the iron level is beyond 6 ppm. Here there are about 6 houses in this apartments, and you see that on the terrace you have totally brown color marked brown stain marks, and this is because the that is the color of the water which is coming inside your tank. And not what we have done is, instead of the water going to the overhead tank, here, because the iron water is very bad, we are just going to do a initial filtration system which comes through this pipeline and goes to the first cylinder filter here, and next after this filtration, because then it goes to this filter, because we don't want to do the aeration initially because the iron level is very high. So we have done a pre-filtration system before aeration, and then after which it comes to the aeration tank here, and the tank is kept open so that the aeration is done properly and settling is done smoothly, and after which the line is taken half feet above the tank, and then it goes to the half HP motor there, and then it goes to the big vessel cylinder here, which removes the sediment and iron impurities to a very fine level so that the water is crystal clear, and then it collects to the overhead tank via that pipeline which is there. Whatever the dust is accumulated, it has been when during the backwash, the dust is pushed to this drain line which is connected here, and all the drain lines from coming out of the cylinders, the 4 cylinders, as well as this tank also down, you have the settling tank dirt also will be through the wall, it will be removed, and all these are interconnected together, and then finally it's pushed to the drain at the end.